This blueberry crisp is now my go-to recipe for this summer. You have a juicy, jammy blueberry bottom topped with a crispy, buttery oat topping, and it's so delicious. I am so excited to share this recipe with you guys. And if you guys already know me, you know that I'm more of a cook rather than a baker. So if I'm going to show you guys a dessert recipe, number one, it has to be really delicious, and number two, it has to be super easy, and this blueberry crisp is exactly that. And this requires very minimal prep work. I used to actually use blueberry pie filling in my recipes, and I stopped using that because honestly, making this from scratch is actually stupid easy. And you guys are gonna love it as well. You're not gonna wanna go back to that canned pie filling. And you also know exactly what's going into it. Okay, so to get started, I am using frozen blueberries. You can definitely use fresh. I always have these on hand because I always make my younger son smoothies every day. So I just have them on hand in my freezer. So I'm going to add 5 cups of blueberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Actually, the ones that I normally always have are the wild blueberries, but you don't want to use the wild ones because they're really teeny tiny and smaller in size. You want nice, big, plumped blueberries for your crisp. So to that, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of flour and then a half a cup of sugar. Also, you don't want to thaw your blueberries if you are using frozen. Just grab them right out of the freezer and toss them in the sugar and flour. Oh, my best friend is calling me. I'm gonna have to call her back. Anyways, now that everything is all nice and combined, I'm going to go ahead and grab the ingredients for our buttery, crispy oat topping. Okay, so I don't know which I love more, the blueberry filling or this crispy oat topping, but I promise you guys, this is the perfect ratio between blueberry filling and topping. So to start off, I have 1 stick of melted butter. To that, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of flour. And then this is 1 cup of old-fashioned oats. I have 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And then I have half a teaspoon of salt. All right, come on, salt. And then I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then I'm going to mix everything until it's well combined. I wish you guys can smell this. It's smelling amazing. Okay, so this is nice and combined. So all I'm going to do now is sprinkle it over the blueberries. When I tested out this recipe, I brought it over to my family's house, and my dad loved it so much, he told me that I needed to make this again. So part of this batch is going to you, Dad. All right, we've got our topping in. Just make sure to get your vanilla ice cream ready because you are going to need it. Imagine this warm cobbler with a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. Oh, like nothing can beat that, honestly. Okay, so I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees, and we're gonna bake this for about, I think it's 40 minutes. Let me check my notes. 35 to 40 minutes. Just until the topping is nice and crisp and browned. Okay, so meet me over at the oven. It is still a bit hot, but I could not wait to dig in. I went ahead and scooped some into a bowl, scooped some vanilla ice cream over the top, and there you guys have it. Delicious blueberry crisp made from scratch. While the blueberry crisp was baking up in the oven, I did test out a stir fry recipe. I wanted something quick and easy and light because this dessert is not exactly light. It's a little bit on the heavier side with the vanilla ice cream, but it's super, super refreshing. So yes, that's just an idea, you know, while you're waiting for that 40 minutes, go ahead and prep up a quick dinner. And like I said, you're not gonna be tired after making this dessert because it's super, super quick and easy. Okay, enough talking because my ice cream is melting like crazy and I need to do the taste test. This is a big bite. Cheers, you guys. The blueberries are just so warm and jammy, and the oatmeal topping is so crispy and buttery, and then topped with the ice cold vanilla ice cream. It is heavenly. I'm telling you guys, it's heavenly. You guys have to try this out. Super easy summer recipe. I mean, you have no excuse. Why not try this out? Anyways, thank you for spending time with me in my kitchen. I hope you guys try this recipe. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button below. That will definitely help me out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.